Welcome everyone to Open to Abundance. Let's now start with our initial opening prayer. In the name of abundance, the love of money, and the infinity of the multiverse. To begin with, abundance is not only the pleasure but also the withdrawal phase, the pain, the cyclical moments of happiness, sadness that envelops the contentment and satisfaction of everything. Money is everything, but everything is not money. You can buy the whole world, but the world is not all about you. It is really a fine wine to be simply just be you. To be open to the pieces of the puzzles is to go to the paradise of the paradoxes and be finally free yourselves from yourselves for yourselves. Unnamed. So for today's topic, we have focus. Focus. So what do we mean by focus? As I said with the past equations that I discussed, focus is just like a dot in the blackboard, right? So it's a dot on a blackboard. If you have only one dot, then you you already see that it is really focused. If you have too many dots, then it becomes confusing. So that will lead to clearness. It is clear, and whenever something is clear, it gives clarity. And what is clarity in a focus manner? It you give energy, and you the energy will return to you, right? That is focus. It just the energy doesn't go away. It comes back right at you. That is focus. So now that we know what is focus is, we can now proceed to the matrix of focus. So for the matrix of focus, the metrics will be for the left and right will be the figure in the background. It's just like the dot in the blackboard, right? The figure is the dot. So anything you say, that's a figure. One word will be a figure, and the unsaid will be the background, right? All unsaid things will be the background. That's how we conceptualize things. We only said one thing, and then we link it to another, but we don't even refer the other thing because there are no time, and there are no capacity. We can't really comprehend things above our minds. That's the limit. We have the limit. So to finalize, we have background to the left, and to the right we will put figure. Because it's positive. It's the focus, right? Focus. And for the metrics from bottom to top, we have what we call, yeah, we're gonna put the reference to humans, our predicament in our thinking is with abundance and survival. We're gonna put abundance on the top, it's positive, in survival and at the bottom as negative. So now we're complete with the cross. We're gonna move on to the combination of things. So if we have focus, and we are in a abundance, focus the figure abundance, we can have something like What do you call this? When you wake up, it is a fresh wake up. You will have a freshness. So in the first quarter, we will have put the term freshness because it is really fresh. Wake up in the morning or you just take a nap, but some some possibilities that a nap is a timeless state. Like sometimes I take a nap and I thought I sleep very very long, then I figure it out that it's just 1 hour that's passed and I feel refreshed. The freshness is very different. I think time is not really a linear thing. It's a non-linear with some mix of multiverse, like you're traveling on your different state of being. So anyway, we're gonna move on to the second quarter. Uh, so we have focus with a figure in a survival state. So in a survival state, you can't do anything. You can do. I mean, you can't do all or everything. You can only just do your one thing. You can you can't eat and hunt at the same time, right? You have a group to manage. The other people will hunt, the other people will eat, the other people will guard your sleep of the tribe. Okay. So what is that? It's talking about priority, yeah. So we all have priority within our lives because we can't do all thing at the same time. So we're gonna put priority for the second quarter. So for the third quarter, this is kind of a lean to the negative side of focus. So if you have too many dots, it is called a background. You can't you can't focus anymore, and you're in a survival basis. So it's the term I think we will put is it's gonna be messy, yeah, messy, because you can't organize yourself and you're surviving. You're just like a child playing toys. When you leave the room, it's gonna be messy. Yeah, so we're gonna put for the third quarter the term messy. It's really a mess in the world right now. So for the fourth quarter, this is the last quarter. We have the focus on the background. Too many dots in a abundance world. Yeah, you have abundance. You can have everything, but it's just like rich trying to grab material things. Too many material things, but you can't even use. You can even use one. You can only use one car or one car in a, out of 30 cars, right? If you in a day, one car in a day, you can't use 30 cars in a day. I think that's impossible. You can enjoy that. I think you can enjoy 30 cars in a day. So you gotta have a management team for your cars. You can sell or rent it, right? So what that develops. Okay, I think if you think about management teams, then I think as the past equations, we learned about the past equation of the leverage, right? What is leverage? They are organizing things. So we will put the term organize as the fourth quarter because if you don't have focus but you have abundance, you have a at least time to organize yourself. You will learn organization. just like as much in the survival with a focus, which is priority, right? You will have organized. You have schedules. So that's it for the what do we call the matrix of focus. So we can now move on to the next part. I think. Let's go. So we're now on the resolution for focus. So for the first quarter, we have the thing freshness. So what's the problem with freshness? You are currently on the waking up state or waking state or what you call not yet fully activated, right? Your focus kind of wane a little bit. It's waning left, right, up, down. You're not in the active action state. Your mind is wandering. It is good. Your mind is wandering. It's picking up things that you can't pick up on a regular basis. But the bad side of things is the I think the execution. So at least you need to move your fingers a little bit to boot up your senses because your focus is fresh. So you gotta do it face by face, step by step. So so the resolution will be booting up your senses so you can activate your execution and action. Okay, so booting up your senses in a proper way for you to have no injuries and no headaches because sometimes focus results to headaches afterwards. So that's it. Booting up your senses properly. So for the second quarter, what do we have? Priority. Is there a problem for priority? Yeah. I think the problem with priority is the re-evaluation or the reassessment after the day's over. Yeah. Then we don't implement the proper what do you call this? Proper resolution to the problem. It's just like the doctor said that you have problem eating junk foods, but then the other day you still eat junk foods, right? What we can do with that is lessen at least you lessen the times you eat junk food step by step. As I said, you lessen it until it becomes it becomes uh, it becomes unconsciously tiring to lessen it, and you just eventually move on to the healthy food. You will eventually find a way to eat a edible healthy food because if you eat a non-edible healthy food, then that will destroy your sanity. You don't even like the taste, but you know it's healthy. Then the one that will destroy is your sanity. If you gotta take up your mental health, I mean the health of the body, then you gotta take your mental health seriously too. So that's it. So for the resolution of priority now is to proper re-evaluation and re-execution of the solution, right? Step by step. So in the freshness, you boot up, and the priority, you reevaluate and re-execute. So for the third quarter, we have the problem of messiness. So messiness, as I said, is just like a child. You're surviving through searching for anything that could make you feel full and not empty. And then you mess around with your toys. So what's the solution? If a child is a child, then the child must grow up, pick up the pattern, right? If you're messy, you gotta pick up the pattern at least step by step, face by face. Pick your yeah, you gotta do the luck and patience game again. You gotta it will depend on the parents to study themselves and pass on the children the very natural teaching guide or to facilitate the learnings and growth of the children, because if the parents are focused on enjoying themselves and not really teaching the children to go step by step and face by face, they're enjoying to take care of the children, they're enjoying the suffering, the crying, the emotional nannies. Like, it's gonna be tough to move on from the messiness stuff. Just like in the world right now, a lot of adults are not really adults. So we are all children on earth. We all know that. Because if we do, then our minds will break. Being a child is really a necessity for now. Because eventually I think AI will taught us how to live in a solitude state so we could mature a little bit, because there's a war everywhere. It's a cold war anymore, because the internet is what you call this, a cold state where you need to execute yourself to be warm. You see the cold state of the internet, but at least you need to warm yourself. So you gotta need the focus. We gotta really need the focus on ourselves, not just on the internet. So you go to the internet, you let go of yourselves, and then you warm up yourselves in reality. So that's it for the third quarter, is to ask for guidance, I guess. If you don't have a good parent, go you search for guidance. If your life is messy, you search for guidance. You organize yourself searching for guidance. So for the fourth quarter, it is for the resolution for the problem of organize. This is the, what you call this, the upkeep, right? You gotta fight the upkeep, because you don't have any focus anymore. If you're very rich, you have abundance, you can't handle your business, your people, you can't really handle. You must have a, what you call, trust or faith. You let go of things, yeah. So the problem with being organized is you can handle too much, you leverage for people. So I guess the solution will be to let go, to have trust or faith, because sometimes statistics are just a static, yeah. So, static statistics, it's not even a dynamic thing. That's why I think multiverse exists, because it's it's dynamic, things are always changing, it's moving. So to summarize overall, the solution for freshness is to boot up your senses properly, and for the priority is to I forgot it again. For the priority, you gotta reevaluate and re-execute things over and over again, trial and errors. So for the messy is to search for a proper guidance. Maybe it's a thing, maybe it's a people, maybe it's an idea. So for the organized one is to have at least trust, faith, or let go of your self issues about any data that there is in, because it's just like I said, you let go yourself to the management of your team, of your business, of your whatever you have. So I think that's it for the resolution of focus. So I'm gonna wish you all to have a very focused day. Focus on your things, focus on your loved ones, focus on your whatever you want in life. Oh, that's it. Thank you for watching.